The 5 major challenges of aluminum die castings for marine equipment. Can you avoid them all? You definitely can't ignore the last one. 1. Difficulty meeting customization needs. In the marine equipment sector, customization is crucial. Sunrise Metal offers tailored solutions to meet your unique requirements, no matter how specific they are. 2. Insufficient corrosion resistance. Saltwater corrosion is a significant challenge for marine equipment. We provide various surface treatment technologies to significantly enhance the corrosion resistance of aluminum die castings, ensuring your equipment remains durable in harsh marine environments. 3. Lack of strength and durability. Marine equipment often operates under extreme conditions, requiring high strength and durability. Sunrise Metal uses high-strength aluminum alloys and advanced die casting processes to ensure every part remains robust and reliable under extreme conditions. For unstable quality, quality is the lifeline of any product. We have a stringent quality control system, monitoring every stage from raw materials to production to ensure each batch meets the highest standards. 5. Long delivery times. Extended delivery times can delay your project. Sunrise Metal's efficient one-stop production process from design, mold manufacturing, die casting, to post-processing ensures seamless integration and quick delivery, keeping your project on schedule. Choose Sunrise Metal for the most reliable solutions to your aluminum die casting needs.